Next students, will discuss here the variation of atomic size in period. This is important question students. This question comes in board exam. Directly also the question is asked, discuss the variation of atomic size or atomic radius in period or in group. Or separately also the question is asked based on this variation. Okay, so this topic is very important in this chapter. So, variation of atomic size or atomic radius in period. So, I am taking the example of third period elements. Okay. So, third period elements starts from sodium, and what is atomic number sodium? 11, then magnesium 12, aluminium 13, silicon 14, phosphorus 15, sulfur 16, chlorine 17 and argon 18. Argon is the noble gas. Okay. Now, do the electronic configuration, atomic number 11. So, protons 11, in the nucleus what is present? Protons. How many protons? 11. So, this is the nuclear charge. Then, do the electronic configuration 281. Electronic configuration 281. So, in how many shells electrons are filled? 3 shells. And in the outermost shell, how many electron? 1. This is for sodium. Now, come to magnesium, atomic number 12. And atomic number is equal to number of protons. So, how many protons? 12. So, as you move from left to right in a period, what you find? The nuclear charge goes on increasing. Nuclear charge, because atomic number increases by 1 and atomic number is equal to number of protons, and where is protons present? In the nucleus. So, in the nucleus number of protons increases means nuclear charge increases. As we move from left to right in a period, nuclear charge increases. Keep this in mind. Next, do the electronic configuration 282. In how many shells again? 3 shells. Only difference is in the last shell, outermost shell, one more electron is added. So, number of shell remains the same in period. And how many electrons? 2 electrons added. Okay. Next, come to aluminium. 283. 13 atomic number. So, proton in the nucleus. How many protons? 13 protons presents. So, you can see here nuclear charge plus 11, then plus 12, then plus 13. As we move from left to right in a period, nuclear charge goes on increasing. And number of shells in which electron is filled remains the same. Third period element, so 3 shells electrons are filled, but in the outermost shell, one electron goes on increasing. Okay. So, next 284. Phosphorus 285, here 286, here 287 and here 288. Okay, and what about the nuclear charge? As you move from left to right, here nuclear charge 11, here 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. As you move from left to right in a period, nuclear charge goes on increasing. Nuclear charge increases. And as nuclear charge increases, force of attraction between nucleus and electron in the outermost shell goes on increasing. And force of attraction when it increases, the size decreases. You can see here like chlorine, nuclear charge 17 because atomic number 17, atomic number is equal to number of protons, and where is protons present? In the nucleus. So, in the nucleus, what is the nuclear charge? 17, and number of shells 3, and electrons in the outermost shell 7. So, as you move from left to right in a period, what you find? Nuclear charge goes on increasing. And when nuclear charge increases, force of attraction between nucleus and electron in the outermost shell increases. So, size decreases. So, what is the variation of atomic size or atomic radius in a period? As you move from left to right in a period, nuclear charge increases, and when nuclear charge increases, force of attraction between nucleus and electron, suppose this is nucleus and electron in the outermost shell increases. So, size decreases. So, atomic size decreases. This is the variation, but this decrease in size is still chlorine in a particular group. The last element is noble gas, and noble gas has biggest size. In a particular period, noble gas has biggest size. This I will discuss later on why. So, as you move from left to right in a period, atomic size goes on decreasing. If it goes on decreasing, noble gas is the last element in particular period, so it should have the smallest size. But in a particular period, noble gases have biggest size. Clear?